Pitt lowering his height some more.
Attacking to try to get out of trouble instead of holding, and this is not going to go well. Another knockdown, the fourth side, and the referee Genaro Rodriguez stops the fight, and thus ends the Vitaly Klitschko, or the Vladimir Klitschko. On Sanders, who has fought only 3 rounds in the last 3 years. This could be brief, it could be explosive.
Pada bulan Maret 2003, sebuah pertarungan tinju terjadi antara Corey Sanders melawan juara kelas berat versi WBO, Vladimir Klitschko. Pertarungan ini menjadi pertahanan gelar ke-6 bagi petinju asal Ukraina ini. Setelah memenangkan gelar dari Chris Beard pada tahun 2000, Vladimir Klitschko telah mengalahkan semua penantangnya dengan TKO. Derek Jefferson pada ronde kedua, Charles Suford di ronde ke-6, Francois Botha di ronde ke-8, Ray Mercer di ronde ke-6, dan Jamal McLean pada ronde ke-10. Kemenangan-kemenangan ini telah membuat Vladimir Klitschko sangat diunggulkan akan dapat mengalahkan Corey Sanders di pertarungan ini. Apalagi Corey Sanders adalah petinju yang berada pada peringkat 9 dalam list para penantang gelar versi WBO. Dan dia juga hanya melakukan sedikit pertarungan dalam 2 tahun terakhir. Namun hasil pertarungan ternyata sangat bertentangan dengan perkiraan penonton saat itu. Di ronde pertama, Corey Sanders berhasil menjatuhkan sang juara 2 kali.
If he goes down again, although the clock is running out on this round.
So Vladimir Klitschko.
Dan di ronde kedua, sang juara kembali dijatuhkan dan pertarungan harus dihentikan wasit pada ronde ini.
He just cannot see the left hand that Sanders is hitting him with.
And he's attacking to try to get out of trouble instead of holding. And this is not going to go well. Another knockdown.
Terlihat di sisi ring, saudara laki-laki Vladimir Klitschko tampak kesal melihat adiknya dipukuli dan dikalahkan dengan mudah. Dia adalah Vitaly Klitschko yang juga seorang petinju profesional. Setelah pertarungan usai, Vitaly mendekati Corey Sanders dan mengatakan bahwa ada masanya Corey Sanders harus bertarung dengannya dan dia akan melakukan persis seperti apa yang dilakukan Sanders pada adiknya malam ini.
Vitaly Klitschko, who challenged you twice in the ring. What was that?
You win some, you lose some, and he came to me and I'll take back and I'll get you back and all that because I'm with his brothers.
Vitaly Klitschko sendiri adalah penantang nomor 1 untuk gelar WBC dan saat itu dia sudah terikat kontrak bertarung dengan Lennox Lewis selaku pemegang gelar kelas berat WBC.
Your brother Vitaly was so upset after the fight that he challenged Corey Sanders.
And Vitaly just said that he will return back the belt to the family, and of course Vitaly is right now contender number 1 in WBC, and I hope he will fight against Lennox Lewis.
Namun dalam pertarungan yang terjadi pada bulan Juni 2003 itu, Vitaly Klitschko gagal meraih kemenangan dari Lennox Lewis.
The fight has been stopped because of the damage to Vitaly Klitschko's eye.
Vitaly Klitschko menginginkan pertarungan ulang dengan Lewis. Namun petinju asal Inggris itu memilih pensiun dan mengosongkan gelar kelas berat WBC yang dimilikinya.
He's not tough enough. He's not ready for me yet. You know what I mean? I would be a waste of my time to go fight him. I would knock him out.
Dan ternyata Lennox Lewis punya rencana lain. Beberapa bulan setelah pensiun, Lewis diketahui telah menjadi manajer sementara untuk Corey Sanders yang baru saja ditinggal oleh manajer lamanya. Lewis berkeinginan agar Sanders bisa menjadi juara kelas berat WBC yang baru. Dan itu berarti Sanders akan bertarung dengan Vitaly Klitschko yang saat itu masih menjadi penantang nomor 1 untuk gelar ini.
It was really nice conversation.
Setelah tawaran pertarungan diajukan, tentu saja Vitaly Klitschko langsung menerimanya. Karena ini adalah kesempatannya untuk membalas kekalahan adiknya beberapa waktu sebelumnya.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to Staples Center, Los Angeles, California, USA.
Pertarungan itu pun akhirnya terjadi pada tanggal 24 April 2004.
Rounds of boxing for the vacant WBC Heavyweight Championship of the World.
Vitali Klitschko setelah pertarungannya dengan Lennox Lewis telah melakukan satu pertarungan lagi dan berhasil menang pada ronde kedua.
Vitali Dr. Iron Fist Klitschko.
Sedangkan Corey Sanders tidak terlibat pertarungan apapun setelah kemenangannya dari Volodymyr Klitschko. Malahan dia telah melepaskan gelar WBO-nya karena menolak untuk bertarung dengan penantang wajib untuk organisasi ini.
Corey the Sniper Sanders. And now, from Staples Center, Los Angeles, California, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Good luck. What about you?
And you talked about Sanders' generous tummy and loose chest, both now visible in the ring, particularly in contrast to the statue.
Ronde pertama pun dimulai, dan ini akan menjadi ronde yang berat bagi Vitali Klitschko.
Klitschko coming back with a left of his own. Maybe already he feels like this is a different thing, but Sanders lands a left and now lands a quick right over the top.
Pukulan Corey Sanders berhasil menjatuhkan Klitschko di penghujung ronde ini.
Pretty well and comes back with a right of his own. And was the case last year for Nunga brother. Hard left hand, Stagg to follow up. 10 seconds to go in the round.
That short, hard left hand by Sanders. There's nothing like it in boxing. Landing that short, hard left hand. From another angle, same punch.
Vitali Klitschko yang dikenal dengan headshot master terus membidik pukulan ke arah kepala. Namun dia harus tetap waspada dengan pukulan kidal Corey Sanders yang dulu telah membuat adiknya menerima kekalahan.
But he could be getting ready to lash out with one of those. Body shots by Sanders, backing Vitali off. Vitali goes back after it. Out here, the reach advantage comes into play. And the right hand lands again. And Sanders having to... There's the hard left hand by Sanders. Two of them connected, and Vitali felt them. Big left hand from Sanders. Stuns Vitali. Klitschko backing up in trouble. Gets hit again. Hard right hand by Vitali Klitschko. Another one. Sanders takes them both pretty well. Vitali pounds him twice with the right hand. And some lefts. Big right hand by Klitschko.
Corey Sanders kelihatannya sudah mulai kelelahan, dan kesempatan ini digunakan Vitali Klitschko untuk melakukan serangan.
Big right hand lands for Klitschko.
Sanders is hurt.
He wobbled on that one. Vitali's trying to put his man down. Looks like Corey's going to make it out of the round, but none the better for wear.
Fighting resourcefully, showing discipline. When the opportunities present themselves, he could change the fight.
Sanders gets in a left as puts him straight. Oh, big left hand knocks Vitali back. What a comeback it would be for Sanders if he came back and won the fight. Big right hand by Klitschko. Neither of those landed as cleanly as the first. Big left hand swing by Sanders.
So he could land punches like that. Fighting in Los Angeles.
Of course. Vitali Klitschko just trying to stay out of the way and land enough. Vitali shows you a little variety as he goes upstairs, then back to the body. Sanders tries two more big sweeps.
I don't recall.
Corey Sanders is having to walk through a lot of stuff here to try to get close to throw something. And he misses wildly with another big left. Just when I said the action had slowed, now they're trading power shots. Left hook lands. Right hand lands. What a show of courage by Corey.
A heavyweight brawl.
Good, quick left hook by Vitali. Drunken sailor there.
He's ready to go, Jim.
Show of courage by Corey Sanders.
What keeps him up? That's it.
Finally, the referee rescues Sanders, and Vitali Klitschko stakes his claim. to break him up. And at that point, California referee John Shoro stepped in and said, enough.
Pertarungan dihentikan wasit pada ronde ke-8 dan Vitali Klitschko menjadi juara kelas berat WBC yang baru, sekaligus berhasil membalas kekalahan adiknya 1 tahun sebelumnya.
For Vitali Klitschko, and here's Michael Buffer with the official particulars.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight here at Staples Center, the winner by knockout victory, and now the WBC heavyweight champion of the world, Vitali Dr. Iron Fist Klitschko.
Sekian dulu video kali ini. Terima kasih sudah menonton dan jangan lupa subscribe channel ini. Selamat beraktivitas dan sampai jumpa di video lainnya.